Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today's ride, we're going to the Tasman Peninsula. So I'm going to catch up with a mate in town and we'll sort of leave from there. Now I've actually got no idea what we're doing down that way, whether it's just going to be on the road or we'll do a bit of off-roading. I don't think we really have a solid plan, so we'll just see what happens, I guess. I suspect we'll get some dirt at some stage, but yeah, totally winging it today. Okay, time to leave town. About to go over the Tasman. So Simon's in front of me. He's got his Honda CRF 450L. A fair few modifications. It's quite a nice bike. So we have a very loose plan. We're going to do a bit of tarmac to essentially get to some off-road tracks, which he's done in the past. Sounds like they do get a little bit gnarly, so I might chicken out some of the tracks, we'll see. But having two of us there definitely makes it a bit safer and easier. If we have to get over logs or something, we can at least pull bikes over, but we will see what the tracks are like. I've got no idea, so I'm just going off what Simon's told me. Better get the visor down today. Following Simon, I'm sure he's going to spit up a lot of dust in my face. That's if I can keep up with him. I can't remember what this road is called. I'll put it up on the screen in a second. So it sounds like there's a few tracks up this way that Simon's going to show me. Again, I'm not sure how hard they're going to be. Alright, we've got some other people up here. Looks like someone's had some fun doing some circle work. I don't think I'll be doing that. Alright, just tractor through this stuff. I have a feeling I'm going to show my fitness level after a while with all my huffing and puffing. Yeah, yeah, all right.
I'll have a quick look and see if it's...
It looks like a big hole up there, hey? About halfway up, it looks to dip down.
I'll go have a quick look.
All right. Ah, no, that looks fun. Oop. Alright, thermo fan is on the bike. Wish it could blow a bit of air on me, that'd be great. Whoa. Might get off and have a look at that. I think it's doable. God, he makes that look easy. Okay, so Simon's checked out this track. Sounds like it's going to be a challenge for me. He was pretty good at it, of course. Ugh, Jesus. So that is going to be a challenge to get back up for me. But we've got Simon here as well to give me a hand if I struggle. Alright.
And then it goes down there.
Oh shit, yeah. That looks really steep, doesn't it?
Can't see which way. Should I go first and I'll follow? Or
Maybe you go first, just so I don't hold you up.
I can go slow. I can definitely go on slower anyway. So, yeah.
Alright. Here we go. Oh my god. I got like bounced over to here. It took me off my line. It's like, damn it. Oh. Whew. Yep.
You find that you're in gear.
Yep. Whew. Man, now it's hot.
I'll get up to the shade.
Yeah. Alright, we just stopped for a little break. Actually adjusted my levers and stuff like that. Well, Simon did anyway. So it should make it a little bit easier off-road to pull in the clutch and things like that if I need to. No doubt it'll take me a bit to get used to. Right. Oh man, I am spent now. Oh, that breeze is so good. Oop. Oh, and that water is very cold. Yeah.